Yeah guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to search for products on Carry1st Shop. So I'm going to open my Carry1st and this is it now. So I want to search for, you can see, wow, and if everything is the electricity, Google time, everything is there. So how do you set up your account? What I need to do is come here. So I'm going to search for electricity. Okay, you can see, is it cardinal electricity? Just click on it. Once you click on cardinal electricity, it's going to bring into, wow, you can prepaid everything. You can see prepaid and postpaid electricity. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to buy your electricity here directly on your Carry1st shop. So you don't need to stress yourself going to this up US to go and get your prepaid or to go and pay for your prepaid again. It's very easy. You can use your first Carry1st shop. This is very interesting. Oh wow, you can do TV subscription. Yes, just come here and search for TV subscription. Go TV, you can see, and again to bring it here, you can now subscribe to your GoTV successfully on your Carry1st shop. This app is amazing. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.